Hello people, welcome back to freshersworld.com. Let's begin the third part of Let's Learn English. Okay, this is the first word. Chaotic. How do we pronounce this? Chaotic. Please pronounce along with me. Chaotic. What does it mean? It means in a state of complete confusion and disorder. Let us see how do we use this word in a sentence. Chaotic conditions followed the war. That is, once the war finished, there was a lot of disorder, there was a lot of confusion. So that's how we use this. Chaotic conditions followed the war. And another sentence, a bigger sentence and complex one. They are entirely unsystematic so far as matter is concerned, chaotic and disjointed in style. So this is the usage, and we have our first word, chaotic. 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 Alright, the second one is this. What is it? Barbarous. Let's pronounce it. Barbarous. Pronounce along with me. Barbarous. What does it mean? It means primitive and uncivilized, and also means extremely brutal. There is a misconception that you pronounce barbarous as in the same lines as barbarian, barbarous. It's not barbarous, it is barbarous. Maybe you want to have some correction there. Alright, let's look at the usage. A remote and barbarous island. Another usage is like you read in news. The recent case of rape and murder was a barbarous act. Alright, let's go on to the next word. Fine, here's the third word. Freak out. Freak out. How do we pronounce? Freak out. It's one of the commonly used word among the millennials and the kids. Let's see what's the meaning. It means a wildly irrational reaction or a spell of behavior. Okay, so let's see the usage. If my daughter can't see me when she wakes up, she'll freak out. So it means that once someone notices that something is not happening as planned or something, so they get worked up. So that's how we use this word, freak out. Let's look at a couple of other examples. I figured you'd freak out. So before conveying a message, it was presumed that they would freak out. So that's the reason it's used this way. Don't freak out over one or two stray negative comments. Let's go to the fourth word. It's this. Impeccable. How do we pronounce it? Impeccable. Impeccable. It's an adjective. Alright, let's look at the meaning. In accordance with the highest standards. Faultless. Something which doesn't have any fault. Something which is complete and has high standards of quality. That's where we use impeccable. Look at the usage of the word impeccable in sentence. She had an impeccable reputation. So this lady must have some reputation where she was having no fault, or someone who could not find any fault with her. So that's the reason they've used this word in this particular sentence. There's a lot of materials we get these days are very much adulterated and are of low quality. So we can use this word while talking about that. The honey we bought from the organic store is impeccable, like it was like finest grade honey. So that was our word, impeccable. Let's go on to our fifth and final word, which is a bonus word. Here's the fifth word. Chillax. How do we pronounce it? Chillax. It's a combination of chilling out and relaxing. So it means calm down and relax. So why is this a bonus word? That could be your question. It's a slang term, but recently this was added to your English dictionary. So that's the reason I thought it will be a bonus word or something which you would want to understand and learn. And because it's a slang term, you must have been using this chillax, relax, or chill out. So how do we actually use this in actual usage? Let's look at a couple of sentences here. I'm going to chillax this weekend. So what is your weekend's plan? I'm going to chillax. That's all. So when some colleague or friend of yours is working on something and you want to contribute also, you can say this, okay, chillax now, I'll do it for you from here. All right. And as I told you, chillax dude, you can just use this and complete the sentence. So the fifth word for you is chillax. Chillax. All right. So learn all those 5 words, try to implement, try to form sentences, and make good use of this video by commenting and liking the video. And also please ensure that you form sentences and copy paste it in our comment section so that we can review and appreciate your time which you spent on this video. So keep watching our videos every Wednesday and do subscribe if you haven't. Thank you and happy learning.